this town lends itself to storytelling. They practically ooze out of the gorgeous 18th and 19th century homes. They're so beautifully preserved. My name is Liz, and I am the owner and guide with Lunenburg Walking Tours. We start our essential Lunenburg Walking Tour at the Academy, and we'll be just starting into the introduction to this town. And next thing you know, walking right through the middle of the crowd will be Smokey. And we love Smokey so much so that we awarded him with the Academy Award for Best Performance. We've been providing walking tours in this town for over 30 years. We take a nice winding journey down through the old streets of Lunenburg. They get a great sense of that shipbuilding and fishing industry and the fact that those first European settlers, when they arrived here, there wasn't a fisherman amongst them. They were farmers, carpenters, shoemakers, bakers. But they got here and realized that they weren't going to make their living farming. So they turned to the sea. We tell that story, that evolution from farmers to fishermen. So during the day, Lunenburg is bright and shiny and colorful. People walking around, of course, with their ice cream and going into the coffee shop and the gift shops and the galleries. And this is a haven for the arts and music. When we finish up at the waterfront, after starting at the top of the hill and standing there, looking at those colorful buildings and the hillside, I'll marvel at how fortunate I am to live here and every day to work in the job that I have, showing people around this town and realizing this is home. This is where my 4 children grew up. This is where my heart is. Yeah, there's something about that.